And this is what happens when Snorts plays with anybody. The house gets destroyed. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Yes, hi. I see you. Are we done? Are you done now? What do you think? Was that it? As soon as I bring the camera out, huh? Oh, maybe not. Yes, hi. Hi, crazy man. Yes, fellas. Is that it? You're such a pretty little boy. You're bad, though. You're bad. You are. You're a little bad. Phyllis, who are you talking to? What do you think, Granny? You having fun? You playing with your brother? Are you gonna get her? Who? Brock. Was that it? Are you gonna sit nice now? Oh, let's get a drink. Alright, I think that's it. I think you've settled down.